Hey there, guys. Have you ever wondered how the food you eat impacts your gut health? Today, we're diving deep into the game-changing benefits of a plant-based diet for a healthier gut. Welcome back to the channel. I'm thrilled to explore how a plant-based diet can transform your gut health and overall well-being. Let's face it, many of us deal with common gut issues like bloating and irregularity, often due to poor diet choices. But fear not. We can make positive changes starting with what we put on our plates. Plant-based foods are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and prebiotics, essential nutrients that nourish our bodies and support a thriving gut microbiome. These foods not only fuel us, but also promote digestive balance. So, what are the ultimate plant foods for a healthy gut? Think vibrant leafy greens, antioxidant-packed berries, and protein-rich legumes. These powerhouse foods are loaded with vitamins and minerals that can work wonders for your digestion and overall gut health. To sum it up, incorporating more of these nutrient-dense plant foods into your diet can be transformative for your gut's health and happiness. I advocate for you to take on the challenge of adding more plant-based goodness to your meals. Notice the positive changes in your gut health and share your experiences and favorite plant-based recipes in the comments below. Let's inspire each other on this journey to a healthier gut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. For more information and recipes to start your new healthier life, check out the link in the description below.